because between summer and winter is
de la nuestra comunidad.
Yeah, we've been studying cultural identity.
Buenos días, yo trabajo en el hospital de la nuestra comunidad. Mi misión es cuidar la salud de todos. Les recuerdo algo importante. Lávense las manos con agua y jabón y comer frutas y verduras para estar fuertes y sanos. Cuidar la nuestra salud de manera de amar de nuestra comunidad.
These are our community heroes.
Cooks with care. He serves us food that's always there.
Why can't we be friends? 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 Why can't we be friends?
For band members. These guys, they practice very, very hard. And Mr. Nicholas is very strict about that, I guarantee. They have to practice 30 minutes daily.
Good morning, we are the Kennedy Kids and we are Phase 4. This unit, as a part of community life, we have been studying the history of Las Serenas and the many changes that have been happening in recent time.
What was it like for you as a child in Las Terrenas before electricity came?
That's a great question. It's open-ended and the answer gave us a real story.
Hola, en esta unidad aprendimos cómo presentarnos y cómo presentar a alguien. Aquí es un ejemplo. Yo soy Charlie, tengo 13 años y yo soy de Corea y de Inglaterra. Mi color favorito es azul y me gustan los perros. Chloe, vas a decir cómo presentar a alguien.
Our final presentation, Phase 5, led by Mr. John.
Yeah, we've been studying cultural identity and we've had kind of a two-pronged approach to this unit. This is a Phase 5 production, but as you'll see, we've had help from Phase 6, Phase 7, and at the end we're going to have help from Phase 1, 2, 3, and 4 as well. So anyway, that's enough from me. Enjoy.
Namaste, everyone.
Namaste.
Let's say it again. There is peace in my heart and love in my soul. Very good.
so first, here is the road to the beach. A long time ago, you had to go through a real jungle. And then this is the road to Samaná. And this is Pueblo de Pescadores and Ballenas. When they first found Las Sirenas in 1942, they changed it into this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they changed it.
Oh, I missed this one.
Me too.
Okay, since you got it right, that's the prize. You're good? Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Because between summer and winter is autumn. They believe that the summer is the good half of the year and winter is the bad half of the year, right? So in between those good and bad times, there's a border between the living and the dead. And on October 31st, that border weakens, letting the dead walk by the living. Okay? So that's why they dress themselves up. Look at it. 2 lies, 1 truth. Over the information I told you, which one is the truth?
No, the second one is true. Yeah, Scotland is one of the.
Since you won the
Thank you. Yay! I got the prize. How's the presentation?